Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Hake and Henry mystery box. This is the Issa Party Valentine's Day mystery box, I believe it is. Yes, number 3, or it's just called Issa Party mystery box, why not? So it originally retailed for $80 with $7.99 shipping. So let us see, hopefully, if I feel like it all works together. It did definitely take a little bit longer to get to me. I'm not super caring about that, especially because I know that Hank and Henry is such a smaller brand right now, and I'm just really excited to check out these products. Of course, we got our fun box. We gotta have his signature, which is, I think that's kind of cool. It's kind of cute. I have not opened this, so slice into my box. So, right on top. So, of course, we got a little fun message here. We got some little crinkle paper. We have my little order sheet. All right, so first things first, we have ourselves a pop socket, which is really cute. Hopefully you can see it. I'm not the hugest fan. I mean, pop sockets, they work. I'm not opposed to them. This one's really cute. I do really kind of like it. If I'm honest, I know he has some that has like his face on it. And he's obviously attractive, whatever, but I don't know if I really want to walk around with somebody's, like, face on my phone. So, that's just me. I don't know. We got a wristband that says, "The world is better with you in it." I really do like that. I think that's kind of a nice little, like, extra touch. That's like, oh, like, it's really cute. Then, of course, we have some stickers, so why not? We get that with Sugar Pill. I'm not mad about it. That one's kind of cute. That does have faces. That's cute. I like that. Okay, I see what palette we got. Should I start with that? Sure, why not? So, we got 2 palettes. Okie dokie. So, the first one that we have is the Sweet Tooth. I think it's Tooth. Sweet Tooth. I know he tries to make his stuff kind of cute and different. Okay. So, that is what that looks like. Let me do a couple, whoa, bad lighting, swatches. This is actually really pretty. Icing. Aw, sugar. This green one is minty. That is really pretty. I like that one a lot. We have Jelly Bean. That's a nice color. We have Butter Her Cup. That's that. I totally did this really terribly. This kind of pink one is called Cupcake. I'm probably butchering these, don't judge me. They're not written normal, I feel like, or they're not written normal at all. Hard Candy is next. Blueberries is right here. And then lastly, we have Purple. I feel like the only shade that I'm not, and again, swatches are like deceiving, but would be this one, which is Blueberries. It's just not transferring the same. But it's not, I don't know, it doesn't necessarily look patchy, but I don't know, whatever. Moving on. Let's wait on the other palette for right now. We'll come back. So, we have, I don't even know what this says. Oh, good, I want to try one of these. So we got a My Alter Ego eye kit. I've been really curious. This is the one that I think has, like, 2 eyeshadows and an eye pigment. This is really, really heavy. So, it's El Jefe, I think is how you say it. I'm like, I'm gonna totally screw this up. Okay, this is some nice packaging. This is very heavy. Okay, so for the, so for the eyeshadows, we have, looks like a really nice black, and then like a kind of silvery color. Let's give those a swatch. Those are what those look like. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to say what that's called, because I'm like an idiot. I'll put it beneath in the description, probably. I don't want to sound like an idiot, so we're not even gonna do that. Oh, you pull up for the, I don't know if this is a highlighter or what. Pearls. It's either it's a really big pigment or it's a highlighter. Does it say? Oh my god. It says Luster Lights Loose Pearls. Okay. I mean, it's really that's nice. I mean, you can't say that's not nice. So, I mean, honestly, I feel like it's more pigment. Um, I feel like, I mean, in all honesty, I know, no hate to the brand or whatever. I mean, it's very nice. I'm not a big fan of this, like, idea. I get, sure, but I kind of wish that they were separate. I just feel like it's really bulky, but it feels very weighted and very nice. So again, I'm not hating to have it. Next, it looks like we have a lipstick. So this is in the shade Ethereal. This packaging is so cute. I really like this. Okay, so I'm hoping this is a liquid lipstick. I think it is. It looks like an orange. Now, I love my liquid lipsticks. So what is that? Oh, okay, that's nice. And this looks like, looks good. I like it. I mean, I've already seen the packaging before, so it's not like I don't know what it looks like, but I like it. It looks really nice. Next up, oh, the lips are like, I wonder, do the lips change depending on the color? This one is called Cascade. Looks like a blue. Can I get it open? Oh, okay. Please, I'm begging that this shade be beautiful because this looks amazing. I'm so nervous. Please, please be gorgeous. Oh my god, that is pretty. I'm assuming this is a liquid lipstick. Yes, thank god. Not that it matters, but oh, isn't that nice? And I know it's a fun, funky color. I love color, so I'm stoked. Next, I don't know. Trash Panda. It's like a brown, maybe. I don't know, I can't really tell. I'm kind of excited we got a lot of liquid lipsticks, though. So this is like, I don't know if I'd wear this. It's like a brown. I mean, I could make it work. It's nice. I don't hate it. Again, it's playing around. I love makeup, so I really don't care. Next is Sasia. Probably butchering. I don't know. Is it gonna be a black? Is it gonna be a black? Who knows? It's not a black. I think it's a dark brown. Is it a brown? It's dark. And this pigment is, it almost looks black, but I don't think it is. I think it's just a really dark chocolate brown. That's really pretty. I actually really like that. Okay. Last thing, so sad we've already come to the end of my mystery box. But the last thing is another palette. So, I'm not upset to have this. This is the Fuego eyeshadow palette. Looks like... Now, I do remember seeing these. And that looks really pretty. I really like the colors. It's very fiery. So, let me go ahead, wipe all of these swatches off, and we'll be back with the swatches for this one. Okay, so we have everything swatched out. So, first shade is Fuego. Let's skip this one for now. We'll be right back. So, Fuego, Blazing, Soul, Phoenix. I need to get better at this. Caliente. It's a metallic. The green is Jalapeno. Ignatius. Next is Inferno. And last is Diablito. I don't know, whatever. So this is also Diablito, or, mainly why I wanted to swatch them next to each other is my only feeling with this palette. I'm not saying these weren't both incredibly red, and they're not identical, right? But they're honestly pretty similar. Would I put both in there? Honestly, probably not. I get it. Maybe it was needed, or maybe, it felt like they were different enough. Again, when I'm looking at it, Diabolito seems a little bit not as strong as Fuego, but still, I don't feel like they're both necessary in the palette together, if I'm completely honest. But let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and tally everything up, and I'll be back with my final thoughts of the collection that I received. Alright, everybody, so welcome back to the telling of our little mystery box here. So, we will start with this little sucker here. He's calling this El Jefe. This retails for $37. Next, we have the eyeshadow palettes, both retailing for $21. So, Fuego and Sweet Tooth. Next, I'm trying to break my makeup up in here. Next, we have all four of our liquid lipsticks, that retailed for $17. All of these are completely brand new shades, something I did not say. That isn't kind of cool. All these are all brand new, which is kind of cool. Next, we have the Pop Socket, which retailed for $10. The bracelet retails for $5. And the little stickers, I don't know, I'm just going to say a couple dollars worth. So minus the stickers, the total came to $141. I'm just going to say $145. Why not? Now let's get down to what I would have actually purchased, what I'm really excited about to play around with, and some that I'm kind of like, eh. So the liquid lipsticks, honestly, I am super stoked to play around with these. The only shades that I'm kind of like, probably only shade would be Trash Panda, which is like this nudie brown. I don't know if it's going to be too dark on me. I don't know. We'll play around. I feel like I don't like to do this. It's almost like a middle ground of, is it like dark but light? It's making no sense. Whatever. The other three shades, though, I do feel really good that I'll get some use out of. The eyeshadow palettes, I'm actually kind of wanting to play with them now, so I might after this video. This is just really pretty. It's cute. I like the idea. Fuego as well. My only shade, like I said, this is a little repetition of that, but besides that, that's cute. I'm not huge fan of this. I would never bought this. I'm sorry. $37 to me is very, very, very expensive. These, I would have bought. I like the idea of two shadows. I do really like that. And I'm not saying this pigment is not a great pigment, because I'm sure it is. And I'm sure you get a lot of product and all of that. It's not something that I feel like I get the idea of, but my brain's not saying like, okay, yeah, I got you. Got my glitter, got my shadows, I'm good. Like, I'm kind of like, And the fact that this is $37 and this is $21, that kind of bugs me a little bit, if I'm honest. Like, I feel like maybe a lot of it went into packaging. Again, the packaging is really heavy, which is really nice, but not for $37. I don't know. Like, I wouldn't want to pay that much. I'm sorry. And again, I don't know. I, like, feel so bad to be like, but I do love most of the products. So I would not have bought that. The bracelet is super cute. I love it. I wouldn't have bought it for $5. I don't know. It's cute. It's cute. It's one of those freebie things I feel like you give out. The message is fabulous. Don't get me wrong. I love the message. I think that that's amazing. But I would not have bought it. The Pop Socket, it's really cute. Retails for, I think I probably said $10. Again, I don't think I would have bought it. It's super cute, but I don't know. I'm happy to have it, but like, I don't know. It's not something I necessarily would have bought. So, with removing everything, and it will include the stickers. Stickers, I feel like, are like a freebie thing, so I don't know. It basically came down to $94 when I deducted everything that I'm kind of like, on the side about. But honestly, still, you know what I mean? Like, I basically still got an extra value of $94. I'm still going to use the other stuff. Like, I'm still going to use this. I'm really excited about these two shades. And the pigment as well is really pretty. It reminds me of another pigment that I have. I just don't know how I feel about the packaging. I feel like it's really big for what it is. It reminds me of a setting powder. But yeah, that concludes for this video. Stay tuned, because I'm hoping we will see. I feel like doing a makeup look, and I will be filming that after this, hopefully. And we'll have a part 2 to this unboxing. Alright, I will see you in the next video. I need to remember to say this in the beginning, but please like, comment, subscribe. Especially with me being so small. I really, you know, obviously if you don't like me, don't subscribe, duh. But if you enjoy me, if you enjoy my content, I really want you to be part of the channel. I want to obviously create really fun stuff for you guys. So anyways, I will see you all on my next video. Okay, goodbye.